It is sunny. There is an apple. There are no people. Hello everyone, my name is Spencer from Cake English. Today you will learn how to use the dummy subjects it and there with the be verb. This will help you be able to talk about the weather, time, and if something or someone is or isn't in a particular place. You will also learn how to use it as a pronoun. Are you ready? Then let's start. The dummy subjects it and there are called dummy subjects because they are not the real subject. Dummy means fake. For instance, we say, it's raining, without talking about the clouds that the rain is coming from. We also say, there are apples, without talking about the room the apples are in or the table that the apples are on. You must know how to use dummy subjects to talk about the weather, time, and the existence or location of something. First of all, it can be used as a pronoun in place of a thing or animal in a sentence. This is useful so you don't repeat the noun again and again. So instead of, the apple is red, the apple is also shiny, you can say, the apple is red. It's also shiny. You already learned that you can also use she or he with animals, but it is also used, especially when you don't know the gender. Use the contraction it's to make your English more natural. Also, you can make it negative by adding not. It is not. The contraction is it's not or it isn't. Let's practice replacing the thing and animal nouns in a sentence with the pronoun it. The pineapple is sweet. Nice. It is sweet. It's sweet. The soup is not salty. Great. It is not salty. It isn't salty. It's not salty. The bicycle is yellow. Excellent. It is yellow. It's yellow. The dog is quiet. Good. If you don't know if the dog is a boy or a girl, you can say, it is quiet. It's quiet. The horse is shy. Great. It is shy. It's shy. The turtle is not energetic. Right. It is not energetic. It isn't energetic. It's not energetic. It is also used as a dummy subject when talking about the weather or time. So for instance, it's sunny and it's 2 p.m. Using the contraction it's is natural. You can add not to make it a negative sentence. It is not. And use the contraction it isn't and it's not. Let's practice. Replace the weather or the time with it to make the sentence more natural. The weather is cold. It is cold. It's cold. The weather is windy today. Nice. It is windy today. It's windy today. The weather is not warm now. Good. It is not warm now. It isn't warm now. It's not warm now. The time is 12 o'clock. Right. It is 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. The time is not 5 a.m. Good. It is not 5 a.m. It isn't 5 a.m. It's not 5 a.m. The time is afternoon. Very good. It is afternoon. It's afternoon. There is used as a dummy subject when we talk about where or when something is. There is an apple in the kitchen. There is a class at 1 p.m. It's also used when we talk about the number or amount of something. There are 3 people. And it's also used when something is existing or happening. There is a problem. As you can see, it's always followed by a noun. If it's a singular noun, use is. There is. It can be shortened to theirs. If it's a plural noun, use are. There are. The conjugation is there, but it's hard to pronounce, so it's not used often. Let's practice. I will ask you a question and you answer positively by filling in the blank with the dummy subject there and the be verb is or are. Is there a movie showing in the afternoon? Good. Yes, there is a movie showing at 12 p.m. There's a movie showing at 12 p.m. How many students are there? Good. There are 4 students. Is there cake left? Nice. Yes, there is cake left. There's cake left. There are 2 ways to make the dummy subject there negative. First, you can use no and follow it with a singular or plural noun. Just make sure the be verb is also singular or plural to match the noun. For example, there is no pencil. There are no books. Second, you can use isn't any and follow it with a singular noun, or aren't any and follow it with a plural noun. It's more natural to use the contractions isn't and aren't than is not and are not here. For instance, there isn't any book. There aren't any pencils. Let's practice. I will give you a singular or plural noun. Fill in the blank to make a negative sentence with the dummy subject there. Children. There are no children. There aren't any children. Food. Good. There is no food. There isn't any food. Time. Great. There is no time. There isn't any time. Now you know how to use the dummy subjects it and there and the pronoun it to make present tense positive and negative sentences. Nice work! If you are interested in learning English more easily, check out the classes feature on the Cake app. You'll see all the lectures, learn through real video clips, practice your speaking, and take quizzes step by step. It will help you improve your English in a fun and easy way. And I'll see you next time. Bye!